Hello there! Are you sick of feeling worn out and sluggish? Are you trying to find a natural way to strengthen your immune system and have better health in general? You're in luck though, since today we're going to speak about the effectiveness of turmeric and lemon and how they can help you in a variety of ways. Both lemon and turmeric are potent superfoods that have been used for ages as medicines. Together, these two components can offer a wide range of health advantages that will improve your overall well-being. Among the many advantages of ingesting turmeric and lemon are the following. Number 1. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory characteristics, which can help to lessen pain and swelling in the body. Number 2. Lemon's strong vitamin C content helps to strengthen the immune system and ward off colds and the flu. Number 3. Better digestion. Lemon and turmeric both aid in digestion improvement and ease stomach discomfort. Number 4. The detoxifying effects of turmeric and lemon include their ability to cleanse the liver and remove toxins from the body. Number 5. Clear skin. Turmeric and lemon both have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics that can help skin look clearer and younger. Number 6. Easier weight reduction is made possible by the combination of turmeric and lemon, which can aid to speed up metabolism. Number 7. The molecule curcumin, which is present in turmeric, has been found to enhance brain function and lower the risk of neurological illnesses. Number 8. Lower risk of cancer. Turmeric and lemon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics can aid in lowering the risk of some cancer types. Number 9. Improved cardiovascular health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities may aid to increase cardiovascular health and lower the risk of heart disease. Number 10. Lower blood sugar. Studies have demonstrated that turmeric lowers blood sugar and increases insulin sensitivity. Number 11. Improved mood. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can help elevate mood and lessen signs of anxiety and sadness. Number 12. Better joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities can assist to better joint health and lower the risk of developing arthritis. Number 13. Better respiratory health. Vitamin C, which is present in lemons, can assist to better respiratory health and lower the incidence of lung infections. Number 14. Better vision. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, which can enhance vision and lower the risk of age-related eye problems. Number 15. Better oral health. Lemon has been found to help with oral health by lowering the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Number 16. Improved renal function is point 16. Turmeric can aid in enhancing kidney health and lowering the risk of kidney illness. Number 17. Improvement in liver function. Turmeric and lemon's detoxifying qualities can assist to enhance liver function and lower the risk of liver disease. Number 18. Better hair health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects may aid to make hair healthier and stronger by reducing inflammation. Number 19. Improved nail health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities can aid to strengthen and lessen the brittleness of your nails. Number 20. Improved energy levels. Turmeric and lemon might work together to increase energy and lessen weariness. As you can see, using turmeric and lemon together can offer a variety of health advantages that can enhance your general well-being. Turmeric and lemon can be consumed in a variety of ways, including by drinking turmeric lemon water, cooking with them, or taking supplements. Always remember to check with your doctor before changing your diet or using supplements. Try it out and experience the strength of turmeric and lemon for yourself. Thank you for viewing, and remember to subscribe for more videos on health and well-being.